How to remove your phone number from Snapchat. When you create a Snapchat account, you're asked to provide a phone number to associate your account with. However, for privacy reasons, you may prefer to not have your phone number featured. If we go to our Snapchat account settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of our profile page, we can see our phone number listed in our account settings. To change your phone number, your first instinct would be to select it and then deleting it entirely to remove it from your account. However, if we do this and go back, you can see that our phone number still appears in our settings. Really, the only way to delete your phone number and have it stick is by creating a new account with your phone number. So we're going to log out of our current Snapchat account. And from the Snapchat welcome screen, we're going to select sign up in the bottom left corner. You can then continue creating a new account. And when you get to the section where you need to enter a phone number in order to verify your account, enter the same phone number that you used to create your previous account. Once you have it entered, click Continue to receive a verification code. You can then enter the code provided to you, and your account will have been created. If we select our profile icon in the top left corner and go back to our settings, you can see that our phone number is associated with this account. We can then log out of this account and go back to our original one. And if we go back to our profile and into our settings, you'll see that our phone number is no longer listed. If we select this section, we have no phone number associated with our account. You can then go and delete the new account you just created, and your phone number settings will remain like this on your current account. And that's how to remove your phone number from your Snapchat account. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.